Welcome! Today I am testing how effective is vinegar versus baking soda in cleaning your couch at home series. This is part 1. Here I mixed 3 cups of warm water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. I took small portion of the mixture to clean this part. I am using a small pot lid with a white towel to scrub this part. Already this part is looking clean. This is the dirt that came out in the first round. I took another clean towel and repeated the same process. I haven't cleaned my couch for a while because I wanted to do this experiment. This is good enough. Lastly, I sprayed and sucked the water out using my little green Bissell vacuum. Here is the end result. Also check out part 2 of cleaning the other side using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide.